Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained about the trigonometry. Okay, students, the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta are called the six trigonometric ratios. Sine theta is the opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. Cos theta is the adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Tan theta is the opposite side by adjacent side. The cosecant and the secant and the cot are the reciprocals of the sine and cos and tan. Therefore, students, the cosecant theta we can written as 1 by sine theta, and secant theta is the 1 by cos theta, cot theta is the 1 by tan theta. After that, we are going to discuss about the signs of the trigonometric ratios. Then you can apply the all silver teacups. After then, we have to find we have to take the all silver teacups. After that, we can find the angle of 90 plus theta, 90 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 270 plus 270 minus, and 360 plus and 360 minus. Okay, students, and the values 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, that is yesterday. Today, trigonometric identities. The first one is, students, these are very important formulas. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Yesterday, dear students, suppose if you take on the circle, dear students, with center is the origin. Okay, students, if you take in a point px comma y, this is the origin. If you take in a point px comma y be on a circle, dear students, this one makes an angle theta with the positive direction of the x-axis. This is x, this is y, this is r. Dear students, from the diagram yesterday I explained sin theta equals to y by r, the cos theta equal to x by r. Dear students, where r square equal to, we have to know that x square plus y square. Okay, students, r square equal to x square plus y square. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Dear students, now we take the LHS. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value sin theta, dear students? Y by r whole square. And the cos theta is the x by r whole square. Dear students, when we take the LCM is r square, undoubtedly we got the y square plus x square. Okay, students, y square plus x square. So the x square plus y square is nothing but r square. Dear students, we got r square by r square. This is equal to 1. Therefore, that is the RHS. Okay, students, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Dear students, when you got sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, students, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, now we written as sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. These are the helping formulas. Sin square theta is the 1 minus cos square theta. Suppose if you want cos square theta, that equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, students, this is the first identity. Now the another identity, students, this is the first identity. The another identity is, dear students, the secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. These formulas are very important, students. Don't forget it. Please read. I think we know that these are all formulas in the previous classes. Therefore, now the second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is the another identity. Dear students, we know that just now we prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay students, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore divided by cos square theta on both sides, that is sin square theta by cos square theta. First you can write sin square theta by cos square theta. After then cos square theta by cos square theta. This is 1 by cos square theta. Dear students, sin square by cos square, we know that tan square theta. Cos square by cos square theta is the 1. Reciprocal of cos is secant square theta. Dear students, then it will be sending to the other side. We can written as secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. What students? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is the first one. So first secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay students. After then the formula of secant square theta, dear students, we can written as secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is the secant square theta. Dear students, the secant tan square theta is sending other side. That is the tan square theta is the form secant square theta minus 1. These are the secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is the secant square theta minus 1. Dear student, this formula can be written as the secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. How can you write it is students? We can written as this one, secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Dear students, this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Now we can written as secant theta plus tan theta is the reciprocal of secant theta minus tan theta. What students? The secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1 minus secant theta minus tan theta. This is the students. So you can interchange also. The secant theta minus tan theta is the 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Okay students. The third one is students, the cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Dear students, we know that these are all very important formula students. Please by heart them. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Now divided by what students? Divided by sin square theta on both sides. This is, you can write sin square theta by sin square theta, sin square theta by sin square theta, sin square theta by sin square theta. The next one is cos square theta by sin square theta equal to 1 by sin square theta. Dear students, sin square by sin square is the 1. Cos square by sin square is the cot square theta. 1 by sin square theta is the cosecant square theta. Dear student, this is sending to the other side. We got cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is the first form. Okay students. Similarly, we can write, dear students, the cosecant square minus cot square theta equal to 1. Student, the formula of cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Dear students, minus cot square is sending other side, plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay students, now we can written as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Dear student, this is compared with a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. The cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta equal to 1 students. Now this is cosecant theta plus cot theta equals to 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. The reciprocal of this one is the 1 by cosecant theta, 1 by cosecant theta minus cot theta. Okay students, write down. Dear students, I will take one example. If secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1 by 5, then find, dear students, then find the value of sin theta, determine the quadrant, and also determine the students, determine the quadrant, in which theta lies. What students? If secant theta plus tan theta equals to 1 by 5, then find the value of sin theta, determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Okay students, so dear students, just now I explained what students, I explained the secant theta plus tan theta is given that 1 by 5. Dear students, what I explained, the secant theta plus tan theta equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is the value 1 by 5. Now when you can reciprocal, we got students, therefore students, the secant theta minus tan theta is the 5. Okay students, these are taken 1 and 2. Okay, when you can reciprocal, we got secant theta minus tan theta is the 5. Now students, when you take the 1 plus 2, when we are taking the 1 plus 2, secant plus secant is 2 secant. What students? Secant plus secant is the 2 secant. This is the 1 by 5 plus 5 is the 26 by 5. Okay students, therefore secant theta is the value 13 by 5. Dear students, when we are taking the subtraction 1 minus 2, secant cancel. This is the 2 tan theta equals to 1 by 5 minus 5. Dear student, this is the minus 25. Now we can written as minus 24 by 5. What students, we got tan theta equals to minus 12 by 5. This is the tan theta value, this is the secant. Dear students, now we can write sin theta. How to write the sin theta students? This is sin theta by cos theta. What students, how to write? This is sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. In this step we take by cos and into cos. Therefore, we know that, dear students, the sin theta by cos theta is the tan theta. The reciprocal of cos is the secant theta. What student? Sin by cos is the tan. Cos can be written as 1 by secant theta. Dear students, we can written as the tan theta equals to minus 12 by 5. Okay students, the value of secant theta, that is the 13 by 5. We can written as students 5 by 13. 5 by 13. The value of sin theta students minus 12 by 13. What is the value of students? Minus 12 by 13. Dear students, how to decide the value, the theta lies in which quadrant? how to determine the quadrant in which theta lies. Dear students, sine is a negative and tan is negative, but secant is positive. We have to know that sine and tan which are negative in which quadrant, students? Only the fourth quadrant, but secant is positive. Okay students, sine and tan, sine theta, tan theta are negative, but secant theta is positive in Q3. Okay, in Q4. Dear students, theta lies in the Q4 only. We can find out the theta is lies in the fourth quadrant. Because secant is positive, tan is a negative, and sine is also negative. This is the theta. So determine the quadrant in which theta lies means theta lies in the fourth quadrant. The value of sine theta is minus 12 by 13. Okay students? Dear students, the third identity, if sine theta 1, sine theta 2, dear students, we will take the sine theta 1 plus here the sine theta 2 plus sine theta 4 and so on, sine theta n equals to n. Okay students, here the n is belongs to the natural number. Okay, then undoubtedly students, this is sine theta 1 equal to sine theta 2 equal to sine theta 3 equal to sine theta 1. These are all must be 1. Okay students, 1 means 1 is the value of sine 90. That means theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, each angle is 90. We can written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, that is n. Similarly students, if we can written as the cos theta 1 plus cos of theta 2, cos of theta 3 and so on, cos of theta n is the n, where n is belongs to n. Dear students, undoubtedly the each angle is equal to the 90. Therefore, this is cos theta 1, cos theta 2, cos of theta 3 equal to cos of theta 1, theta n equal to 1. 1 is the value of, dear students, cos 0 degrees. Therefore, that means theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, each angle is must be 0 degrees. Okay students, this is the fourth identity. Okay students, now the another identity is, dear students, now we can write the fifth one, sine theta plus sine of pi plus theta plus sine of 2 pi plus theta and so on, sine of n pi plus theta. What students? Sine theta, sine pi plus theta, sine 2 pi plus theta, sine n pi plus theta. Dear students, if the final one we got even, if n is a even, dear students, n is a even, we can directly write n is even, suppose n is even 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi. Therefore, dear student, 2 pi is the one complete rotation, 4 pi is the 2 complete rotation, 6 pi is the 3 times complete rotation. Therefore, 2 pi is nothing but 0. So, dear students, if you find the value of 2 pi plus 30 or 4 pi plus 30, sine of 6 pi plus 30, dear student, 2 pi is nothing but 0. These are all 0 since this is the complete rotation. You can directly find the value of sine 30. Here also sine 30. Here also sine 30. The 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, these are all nothing but students 0. That's why you can written as directly the sine theta plus sine theta, sine pi plus theta, sine 2 pi plus theta. Dear students, we can written as here if n is a even, again we got the sine theta. Dear students, if n is the odd, undoubtedly it will be 0. What students? Undoubtedly it will be 0. Since here sin theta, sin pi plus theta minus sin theta. These two are cancelled. Like this, these are all cancelled. We got the 0. Okay, students. Now we can take the sixth identity. The sixth identity also, dear students, we can write cos theta plus cos of pi plus theta, cos of 2 pi plus theta, and so on, cos of n pi plus theta. Dear students, similarly we can write this is the cos theta if n is even. Okay, students, if you can write n is the odd, dear students, if n is the odd, it will be 0, like this. Okay, students, if n is even, we got cos theta. N is the odd, undoubtedly it will be the 0. Okay, students, now the another identity. The another identity is the students. Now that is we can written as A and B are the complementary angles. A and B are the complementary angles. A and B are the complementary angles. Complementary angles, dear students. Then sin square A, then sin square A plus sin square B equal to 1, and another one cos square A plus cos square B also 1. Dear students, here the A and B complementary angles. What, students? Complementary angles. Then sin square A plus sin square B 1, cos square A plus cos square B 1. Complementary angle means, dear students, A plus B, sum of the angles 90. B can be written as, students, 90 minus A. Now students, with the first question, the left hand side is there sin square A plus sin square B. Now we can written as the sin square A, sin square of 90 minus A. We know that, students, the sin 90 minus A is the cos A. What, students? This is sin 90 minus A lies in the first quadrant. We have to know that this is cos square A. The sin square A plus cos square A is the one. This is the right hand side. Okay, students. Now the second one is students, the cos square A plus cos square B. Okay, students, we can written as the cos square A plus cos square B is the 90 minus of A. Dear students, we can written as the 90 minus A is the sin square A. The cos square A plus sin square A is the 1. Okay, students, this is also 1. Okay, sin square A plus sin square B 1, and cos square A cos square B also 1. Okay, students, when these are the complementary angles. These are complementary angles. Complementary means A plus B equal to 90. Okay, sum of the any two angles is 90. Then they are said to be complementary angles. Okay, students. Dear students, the sin power 4 theta, cos power 4 theta is the 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. The sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, students. Now we know that, students, the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, students. Now we can write the squaring on both sides. Dear students, when you can squaring on both sides, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square. 1 square is the 1. Dear students, now this is a square sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. 2ab is 2 sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, students, the sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta is the 1 minus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, students, This is the formula of sin power 4 theta cos power 4 theta. Again students, we take the sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. We can take cubing on both sides students. When you can take cubing on both sides, then it will come sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. 1 cube is the 1. Dear students, we have to know that a plus b whole cube. The a plus b whole cube is, first you can write a cube, after b cube, 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. Therefore students, a cube is sin square whole cube, sin power 6 theta. B cube is cos square theta whole cube is the cos power 6 theta. 3ab is the students 3 sin square theta into cos square theta upon, we can write sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1. Okay students, a cube, b cube, 3ab into a plus b. Dear students, we can written as sin power 6 theta cos power 6 theta. This is the 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. This value equal to 1 students, that will be 1. How to write the students? This is sin power 6 theta cos power 6 theta. We can written as 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay students, sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is the 1 minus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta. Dear students, if the Tn equals to sin power n theta cos power n theta, then Tn minus 2, we have to show that this one. Dear students, the Tn minus 2. Tn is the students the sin power n theta plus cos power n theta. What students? Sin power n theta cos power n theta. Students, minus of Tn minus 2. The Tn minus 2 is the sin power n minus 2 theta cos power n minus 2 theta. Okay students. So dear students, now we can observe here. So what students we can observe? Now students, the Tn minus 2 is given that minus sin square theta cos square theta Tn minus 4. Dear students, suppose we are taking minus sin square theta cos square theta Tn minus 4. Minus sin square theta cos square theta Tn minus 4. What students? This is the Tn. Tn is the sin power n cos power n. Students, we can write this is sin power n minus 4 theta plus cos power n minus 4 theta. Dear students, now this is multiple with this. What you get? Minus sin power n minus 2 theta into cos square theta. What students? Next we can got again minus sin square theta into cos power. What students? Cos power n minus 2 theta. Okay students, in the next step I will take minus sin power n minus 2 theta. This is the 1 minus sin square theta. Okay students, we can write this is 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta is the 1 minus cos square theta. Dear students, what is there? Cos power n minus 2 theta. Cos power n minus 2 theta is there. Dear students, now when it is a multiple with minus, this is minus into minus plus sin power n theta. Dear students, also this is minus into minus plus 2 cancel cos power n theta. After that students, the minus will take common sine power n minus 2 theta. When you can take the minus is the common, then it will be also cos power n minus 2 theta. Dear students, this is the in, this is the in minus 2. In minus 2 is the LHS. Okay students, in minus 2 we can written as minus sine square theta cos square theta into in minus 4. Okay students. Dear students, here the cot pi by 20, cot 3 pi by 20, cot 5 pi by 20, cot 7 pi by 20. What student? Cot 7 pi by 20 into cot pi by 20. Okay students. So here a plus b, suppose that, dear students, a plus b equals to 90, then the value of cot a into cot b is must be 1. Dear students, how to write this one? The cot a, cot of b can be written as 90 minus a. Therefore cot a into cot 90 minus a, first quadrant, this is the tan a. Dear students, the cot a can be written as 1 by tan a into tan a, that is 1. Therefore the value of cot a into cot b equal to 1 if the sum of the angles is 90 degrees. What students? When a plus b 90, cot a into cot b equals to 1. Dear students, here the cot pi by 20, cot 9 pi by 20, put in the bracket. Dear students, this is a, this is b. When we are taking the a plus b, dear students, that is pi by 20 plus 9 pi by 20, that is the 10 pi by 20. 0 0 cancel, this is the pi by 2. Pi by 2 is nothing but 90. Therefore a plus b we got 90. Dear students, similarly cot of 3 pi by 20 and cot 9 pi by 20. Here students, sorry, cot of 3 pi by 20 and 7 pi by 20. 3 pi plus 3 pi by 20 plus 7 pi by 20. This is also 10 pi by 20 is the 90. One of them is remaining, that is cot of 5 by 20. Dear students, we can write this is 1. Cot a into cot b is the 1 students. This is also 1. Cot a into cot b is the 1. 5 1s are 5 4s are. Cot 45 is also 1. So the required value is the 1. What students? When the sum of the angles is the 90, then cot a into cot b is the 1. Whether it is also, we can apply the tan a into tan b also 1. Since tan a, tan 90 minus a is the cot a. Therefore tan a into cot a, these two are reciprocal. So if a plus b is 90, then tan a into tan b or cot a into cot b both are equals to 1. Okay students, this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, whose sum is 90. Then directly you can write 1 into 1 into 1 is the 1. Okay students. Dear students, I will take another example. If 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5, then find the value of students 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Then find the value of 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Dear students, its solution is, dear students, please listen here. What is given? That 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta equal to 5. Now we find the value. That value, dear students, 4 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, we are taking some k. What taking students? We are taking some k. Dear students, it will be taken 1, it will be taken 2, sum of the squares, 1 square plus 2 square. Dear students, this is the a plus b whole square, this is the a minus b whole square. Now taken the common is the students, 16 plus 9, 25 sine square theta. Okay students, after then b square is 16 cos square theta plus 9 cos square theta. 16 plus 9 also 25 cos square theta. Dear students, plus 2ab. 2ab is the 4 3 is the 12. 12 2 is the 24. Here also minus 24. Plus 24 sin theta cos theta minus 24 sin theta cos theta are cancelled. This is the 25 plus k square. When you taken the 25 is the common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is students 25 plus k square. This is the value of sin square plus cos square is the 1 students. This is the 25 plus 25 plus k square. Students, the k square equal to 0. Now we got the k value is the 0. This is the process. Okay students, when we can take 1 square plus 2 square, sum of the square plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. Okay students, what is the value of k? 0. Therefore, the value of 4 sin theta, we can write simply the value of 4 sin theta 3 cos theta is the 0. Why students? This will be take some k. Okay. Dear students, I will take the next question. The tan theta plus sin theta. Tan theta plus sin theta equal to m students. And another one is tan theta minus sin theta. Tan theta minus sin theta equal to n. Then the value of m square minus n square. Dear students, we have to find the value of m square minus n square. What students? M square minus n square. Dear students, we can observe here the m square minus n square. This can be right students, the m plus n into m minus n. What students? We can write this is m plus n into m minus n. Therefore students, when we can take the m plus n, undoubtedly, dear students, we got here 2 tan theta. What students? 2 into tan theta. Okay students, when you are taking the students m minus n, what students we got? The m minus n is the, what this is, tan cancel, 2 sin theta. Okay students, therefore students we got 4 tan theta. You can write 4 tan theta students sin theta by cos theta. This is the sin theta. Okay students, 2 into 2 4 tan theta students sin theta by cos theta. Dear students, we can written as this is sin square theta by cos theta. What students? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Dear students, we can written as this is sin square theta, sin square theta. Okay students, cos square theta. We can write sin power 4. What students? Sin power 4. The square root of sin power 4 is the sin square. Dear students, we can written under root of the sin square theta by cos square theta. Here the sin square theta is the 1 minus cos square theta. What students we can written as sin square by cos square. The sin square is the 1 minus cos square. Dear students, now we can written as this is sin square by cos square theta. The sin square theta by cos square theta minus cos square cancel. This is the sin square theta. Dear students, we can written as sin square by cos square is tan square. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay students, sin square by cos square is the tan square. Now this is cos square cancel minus sin square theta. Dear students, we can written as this one a square minus b square. What students this is? A square minus b square. A plus b into what students? This is a plus b into tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. Dear students, what it is? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. That is students, the tan theta plus sin theta is the m students. Tan theta minus sin theta is the n. We can write simply the value of m square minus n square is the 4 into root of mn. First you can write a plus b into a minus b. Sum of these students, the tan theta sin theta equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta equals to n, m plus n, these two are cancelled, 2 tan theta, m minus n, these are cancelled, 2 sin theta. That's we can take in 2 into 2 4, tan is the sin by cos into sin, this is the sin into sin, sin square. After you can write this is students, the option is given that 4 root of mn, 2 root of mn, root mn. Therefore, root of sin square into sin square, sin power 4, that is sin square. The sin square theta is the 1 minus cos square theta. After multiplication, this is sin square by cos square cancel. This will be got tan square minus sin square. It is compared with a plus b into a minus b. Dear students, a is the m, b is the n. A is the m and b is the n. 4 root of mn. What's okay, students? This is today students. Please practice the today sums. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue the different models. Okay. Thank you all.